Hi everyone, hope you all are doing really well. And this is another video on Java interview questions. In this, we have some of the Java questions and some of the collections questions. I think I have run a poll of collections, so I have got a couple of response from the people, and they said they really want a video on collections. So I'm working on it, guys. I'll be uploading that video maybe on tomorrow because there's a lot of it which is based on real time use of collections, what we how we can relate it with the real time examples. So that's how I learned, guys, and I also advise you to learn in the same way, so that it will be easier for you to remember all those stuff like that. So, and one more disclaimer, guys, my house is in the main road, so there are a lot of voice from the house, and I'll try avoid all those things, but it's just not possible for me. That is the reason I'll not make videos, and I'll make a very less videos, but anytime if I'll be recording, the situation will be the same. So I think there will be less noise. So I think you just let me know in the comment section below if it is like that, so that I'll really work on it. How I don't know. So yeah. So I think this is really good, Java interview questions, which is based on Selenium framework, where we use all those concepts. So yeah. So let's go to the video, and please like and subscribe to my channel, and you can share with your friends also, because it may be helpful for them, and this is a really good time for you guys to prepare, and for others also. So help others to to get the knowledge about something which they don't know, and yeah. So that's about it. Let's move to the next slide. So there's one question which is always asked: explain the OOPS concepts in Java and explain how you have used in your framework. So this is like, you learn the OOPS concept, but you don't know how to use it. There's no use of it, use of learning it when you don't able to relate it where you have used in your framework. So this is very common question which has been asked. I think even to me, they have asked me in multiple, because I have experience around 6 to 7. So yeah, probably those are the questions, and in that point of time you have to be little, you cannot give a basic answers like that. So you have to be little smarter enough to give the one or two, maybe 2 3 liner answer, which is very efficient, in a smart way you have to give it. So you can prepare your answer about it. So then OOPS concept, then we use entire OOPS concepts over there into the into your framework. So that we use overloading concept, we use overriding concepts. So, and uh, we sometimes we use encapsulation, sometimes we use polymorphism. So we use inheritance concept basically over in OOPS concept. So we in our frameworks, in my framework, which is like page object model with data driven, not SNG. So I have to extend my base classes in every page class, or maybe in the test class as well. So, and I have to use a class and object. So class and object concepts, of which is also called a OOPS concept. So I can refer the page object elements into my my test classes. So I'll use reference variable to refer my all the classes. So that's when I'll be using this thing, and this class and object concepts. And then what we say, then overriding. So some of the methods I need to override in my test class, where the some of the methods of the base class I need to override it into my test class. So those are the concepts which you really have to work on it. So this is very important question, and I just give you the basic about it. So yeah, this is very important question, because if you have worked on framework, you're probably able to answer it. So can we overload and override main method? So this is very tricky question, guys. So yes, we can overload this is very tricky questions, and people does not know about it. So, and the very shortest answer is yes, we can overload main method in Java. Main method is especially is that providing a starting point for a standalone Java application. So main method is the starting point, right? So it's a signature, it's a signature, right? So we have a signature like public static void main string dot string square bracket args. So it's a signature. It says that JVM understand that signatures and calls the main method with the specific signature, right? So main method signatures, what we have, what I just told is public static void main string args, right? Which means if we define another method in the same class with another signature, JVM will still call the main method with the above mention, like with the above signature, which I have told you, right? I think I have not mentioned it here. So this with the this thing, public static void main string args. So with that signature only JVM will call. So it's perfectly fine to have another main method in the same class with different signature, right? And we very well know that methods with the same name and different signature within a class are known as what? Overloading, right? So we can overload. So I think this is very same method name with different signature, that is called overloading, right? So I think this is very pretty much but we cannot override the main method, right? We cannot override the main method. So reason is very simple. As main method is static, right? Is a static, it will be same throughout. So static means it will be same throughout. So we know like very well that we cannot override the static methods in Java, that we know that, right? Hence main method could not be overridden, so it will be happen. So what will happen if we try to override main method in subclass? What will happen, guys? So let's say we have a two classes, because I have not written anything and I thought I'll just say that. Excuse me, guys. So yeah, guys, so we cannot override the main method. So because main method is a static method, so what happens is when superclass and subclass contains the same method, including parameters, and if they are static, okay, the method in the superclass will be hidden by the one that is in the subclass. So the mechanism is known as method hiding. I think the this may be the question why we cannot override the static method as well. So I think the mechanism what we use just method hiding. In short, like superclass and subclass have the same method with the same signature. So if they are static, it is not considered as an overriding. So yes, you cannot do that. So you cannot override the specific the static method. You really have to go and understand the logic about it. So yeah, this just give you the brief about this is very important question that any of the interviewer can ask you. So if you're going for senior tester, or maybe senior test analyst, or maybe senior software tester, whatever it is, so these are the questions which you really need to work on it, about the basics of all those things, which is really required. So let's not waste or go into that. I'll just move into the another slide. So this is just a give you the brief what is, because this is how you should give the answer. Yeah. So why string is immutable in Java? Okay, the key benefits of keeping this class as immutable are caching, security, synchronization, and performance. Okay, so we'll be going brief of it in the next slide. Okay, if you see this one, why string is this? So string s1 is hello world, string 2 is hello world. Okay, if you call s3 as a new string hello world, so this is I think string internal pool. If you see hello world here and hello world, this one. So what happens is if you define string s1 is hello world and string 2 also hello world, what happens is if you why it is immutable. So when you have a string defined, so you have a variable over there. Okay, so in the heap space it will go and see if the same value is there, so it will not create another it will not create another memory of the same value. So when you call s1 or s2, it will refer the same same memory, because the values are same. So that's how the performance will because less memory will be there and it will increase the performance. So that's how it is, and those are the benefit it will give. So that's why it is immutable. So we cannot change it. So that is the reason. Okay. So this is very important topic. So this is very important topic, guys. Hash map. So and hash map related to our framework. So I think this is the hero of our presentation here. So I'll be giving a detailed description of hash map, linked list, and array list. I'm working on it, guys, and probably maybe tomorrow you will be having the video of it. So yeah, so if you're really interested in any more topics related to collection, just shoot me in the just shoot your comment in this video, so that I can see it, and I'll add those videos as well, or like add those topic in that video as well. So yeah, so explain what collections you have used in HashMap. So yeah, uh, I don't know, the question is, I think, okay, what explain what collection you have used. So yeah, the question will be like in your framework, what collections you have, what collections you have used in your framework. So you can say hash map. So basically hash map is used, hash maps works on key value pair, guys, huh? So efficient for just you can go through the definition, this thing. So it's just work on key and value pair. I'm just giving you the brief about it. It's work on key and value pair. So for example, when we read in Excel, right, so we use hash map for that. So for to read in Excel, it's work on key and value. So you'll be passing the keys and the value has been reading from the Excel. So this is the very good example to read in Excel and to write in Excel. This is a very good example where you have used it in your framework. So to read in Excel, to write in Excel, we use hash map concept because it works on key and value pair. So we'll be passing the key there and we'll be reading the values from the Excel. Okay, so you can access them by the index of the another type, or there's another way of this. The hash map description is totally different. So I'm just telling you about you where we have used it in the framework. So that's why I'm telling you guys, just listen to me. And I think my voice is good, so I'm not like annoying. I don't have that this kind of voice that you cannot even bear my voice. So I think my voice is good, and you can at least listen to me, guys, because I might be, when making the slide, I'll not remember, and while giving you the presentation I may remember all those points and I'll speak to you guys, because I wanted to share as much knowledge I have it. So this is how it is. So, and this is the only request I have from you guys, that at least listen to my videos and just see my videos, just don't skip it out. So because I have seen people have just just see my project explanation video and just ask me for the slide. I have no issues to give you the slide, guys. I'm just sharing with you guys, but at least listen to me what I'm saying you, so it will be helpful for you. So if you're going for an interview and you have because there are a lot of things ready, we have everything there in the Google. So if I'm not giving you something very important or anything, but if you're listening to me, and when you're listening to me, you will be having something maybe unique or maybe different, because every person is different, every person mindset is different, and the way they think is different. So you have to listen out their thoughts and their thought process. You wanted to know, you should be knowing their thought process. So instead of skipping the videos and asking for the slides, I have no issues to give you the slide, but I request you to guys just see my videos. So it will be really helpful for you, not for me. So yeah, use key value pairs and you can access them by an index of another type. Import Java. So we'll be using import java.util.hashmap and import hashmap class. So this is the syntax of using it. So hashmap string capital cities equals to new of hashmap. So it's just we are creating an object and we are creating a reference variable of an hashmap. So yeah. So this is a very important question of hash map. This is, I'm just telling you, this is the hero of this slide, which is very important. So I think the more of the questions are very important, and relatively it is very important to know about all those questions where we have used the concept in our framework. So yeah, can we put duplicate keys in hash map? What will be the output? Will it give you any error? So okay, so if you see the same thing what I have explained, it will just override that value. Am equals to new of hashmap string am put aa or am dot put 1b. So what happens is, if you see here, this is your key, this is your value. So this one is your key and a is your value, this one is your key and this b. So what happens is, it's just override your value. So it will not give you any exception. So if you're trying having the duplicate keys, it will just override your existing value, and when you it will just give you the recent value of an variable or maybe your key. So this is a very important question, by the way. So okay, these are the questions which is very important. So I have not given the explanation of this. So I thought of sharing with you, if maybe tomorrow someone's interview is there, and these are this will help them. So yeah, so difference between set and list, difference between hash map, tree map, and linked list hash map. Sorry, I'm just avoiding this. So yeah. So difference between set and list, difference between hash map, tree map, and linked hash map, difference between I have that, tree set and linked hash set, difference between array list and linked list. So I think these are the very important question, guys, which in collections you need to know about it. But yeah, you can wait for my video. I'll be giving you a very easy way to relate it and to learn it. So yeah, just wait for till tomorrow. If you're having the interview maybe on tomorrow, so just go through this topic. This is very important, and if you're going for senior level position, this you should know, guys. So there's no way around. You have to know about all those things. So yeah, and I'll just tell you that I already told you, just related where you have used in your day-to-day daily life, in your framework, or maybe in your Selenium automation, or maybe in your Python automation. No, sorry, not in Python, maybe in Selenium automations, or maybe in your Java, where have you used that. So yeah, I got this thing. Yeah, so okay, so thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and please like and share and subscribe to my channel. And I do have my Facebook page as well, so you can directly contact me through that Facebook page. I will be happy to help some of the people, and some of the people have contacted me through phone calls as well. So I have guided them. So if you really need it, just go and check it out. I'll be there to help you guys. All I need is please like and share and subscribe to my channel, and increase my views, because I think I've got around 1,000 subscriber till today, maybe not today, maybe some days back. So I have got those, but yeah, I'm waiting for number of the views which I have not got it yet. I'm waiting for that. And you just let me know in the comment, should I start any blog or anything, because some of the suggestion has come up, and you want any topic on collections. So yeah, you can put in the comment section below, or any other topic for me to make video. And as you know about me, I'll just learn everything with the real-time examples. So I'll just relate the things where it is. So if you want me to cover any of the topic, I'll be happy to help you guys. So just put in the comment section below whatever your thoughts is. And I just request you to, guys, please watch my video, because there are things which I have not put in the slide, but I have I'll be speaking throughout. So yeah, you can you can listen to me, and that will really help you guys for your interview. And secondly, if you want this slide, I'll be happy to share with you. Just you need to shoot your mail ID below and ask me for the slide. I'll be sharing with you. Yeah, thank you.